guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and that is Nair, and today we're going to be doing til laddu for you.
Alright guys, we have used sesame seeds, that's of course til. Now that's a great option when it comes to vegan and providing you a bunch of valuable nutrition. So let's go and have a look at the recipe now.
Keto til laddu. First, sesame seeds, 1 cup, chia seeds, 1 tablespoon. I have fresh cardamom. You can also take powdered cardamom, stevia powder. Lastly, pure ghee, clarified butter. First, in a pan, we are going to toss the sesame seeds and we're going to cook it until they are slightly golden. And once they are slightly done, we're going to let it cool for about 5 minutes and we're going to keep this aside. Now I've separated little sesame seeds. This is for the coating of my laddus, so I'm keeping this aside. Now I'm going to take my chia seed. I'm going to add little water to it and let it soak well for next 5 minutes. Now in a blender, I'm first going to add my sesame seeds. Now I'm going to add cardamom. Because I'm taking fresh cardamom, I'm just going to add the seeds, and after cardamom I'm going to add now 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. That's ghee to it, and I'm going to blend the mixture well. And lastly, I'm going to add stevia powder to it. You can also add jaggery if you're not following a keto diet. You can take stevia, you can take erythritol. And now our mixture is done. You see, it's nice coarse paste which is formed, which is little nutty, but at the same time it's finely done also. And now I'm going to empty it into a container. Now the magic is going to be done by the chia seeds. I'm going to put the chia seed into the same and I'm going to mix it nicely. You'll see that the mixture starts getting together and mix into a nice dough. And we are ready to make our small laddus. Now I'm going to take a little ghee on my hand and I'm going to take small dumplings of laddus. And I'm going to cover it with sesame seeds. So our til laddus are ready. They're loaded with fiber. Also, they help you to reduce cholesterol and triglycerides.
And one most important thing is about inflammation. It helps you to reduce the inflammation. It helps you to reduce the inflammation. Alright, being said that, I've got a very special person in our life, that's Nair, and he puts in about almost 4 to 5 hours on the training floor. So these are the things that he eats to keep himself really fit, and he recovers very quickly. So Kian, can you taste the food for us? How's it, man?
Nice.
Awesome. Thank you so much, guys. You want to make sure that you subscribe, hit up the bell icon, and we're looking forward to see you in the next video. See you soon.